Ghost Riding the Whip, Part 3. Oh, okay.
It's Mr. Steal Your Girl. Oh yeah.
You're right, I'm gonna steal your girl. Oh shit. $39.50 batch.
Hello, Michael. How are you doing? This is Ryan, Stunt 3 Action. And Urban Hick, gone crazy after bought a Silverado. Ew, this is dirty. Welcome to the dirty, dirty.
Ah!
Oh, yes, that full.
Bam! Oh, he's doing it again. What am I doing? You go out in the middle of it while he goes riding the whip and there's no way to stop it. That's not funny. It's cold.
Quit scratching your nuts, Mike. This is dirty. As he takes off and leaves us. Wow, 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 wow. This is Ryan. I'm a 27-year-old male. I like long walks on the beach. Like Blue Moon is my beer, and I'm an average cowboy. Just an average white guy.
Success!
The fuck?
What's going on here?
Maybe not. Here, let me do it in reverse real quick.
We loved Ryan. Look, he can walk his car.
I'm cold.
Come here.
Here, boy.
Hey, Roy.
And that's how it's done! Alright.
It won't show up.